I'm going to tell you 5 things not to do while driving. And we are starting right now. What is going on? My name is Faizan and welcome to my channel Defensive Driving Tips. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how you can drive safe, drive defensively and promoting road safety in your community and so much more. So start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So number 1. Avoid distraction while driving, including eating, applying makeup, and most importantly, never texting or using the smartphone while driving. It's the number 1 distraction for teen drivers. Number 2. Don't wear earbuds or headsets while driving, or at the very least, never cover both ears. Number 3. Don't follow other vehicles too closely, especially at highway speeds. Allow 10 feet of distance for every 10 miles per hour in speed at minimum. Definitely, if the weather is not good, you wanna add more distance. Number 4. Stop trying to make yellow and red lights. Running red lights dramatically increases the chances for side impact collisions. And running yellow means you are probably speeding to do so. And the last point, but not least definitely. Railroad crossings are fatal too. Never try to beat the train. It'll always win. So now you know the 5 things that you won't do while driving. Let me know down in the comments below if you think there is any other thing you wouldn't do while driving. Before you leave, make sure you click the subscribe button somewhere on this page so you can get more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.